What's up, guys? So, me, my dad, Theo, we're all gonna be in Kiowa for the next week or so. But we're spending one night in Charleston tonight, and my dad booked this cool houseboat. It's got 2 beds, a rooftop deck, and we're staying in like the Charleston Harbor area. So it's pretty cool, right under the big suspension bridge. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna show you a bit of the place we're staying tonight. Let's go. Alright, so this is the boat we're staying in tonight. It's also a massive yacht docked here, but not where we're staying. So along this little walkway right here, there's this deck, which is pretty sick because there's 2 chairs, couch, table, and there's a nice view of the marsh. Alright, I think my dad's actually shotgunning a beer on the roof deck right now, but here's a little view of the inside. Look at the view out the bedroom. Woo! Alright, so here's a better view of the Ravenel Bridge right there. And then actually over there, an aircraft carrier. And then downtown, well, there's a shipping port right here, but downtown Charleston is just past that, somewhere over there. So yeah. This is back in the 40s. They were like... Alright, so anyway, I think in about an hour we're gonna go to this social with a bunch of the doctors my dad's been working with, so maybe I'll film something there. Peace.